Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Sunday. Hopefully, you guys are having an amazing, funny weekend, and hopefully, you're able to spend some time with your family and friends. And as most importantly, your job is to review your last week's trades and to see how you can improve. So, so today I'm going to do a little split um, review of my trades because, as you know, gold futures it changed midweek. So, I'm going to start off on MGCM 2025, and then I'm gonna finish on MGCQ 2025. So MGC, that's the June 2025, and the MGCQ, that's the August 2025. So you always want to update your charts about every 2 to 3 months because once the candles start to break, so right here, as you can see, once a candle started to break on Thursday, that's when I noticed that okay, it's time to update my charts. So So that's what I'm gonna do. And if this is your first time tuning in, what I normally start off with is like I like to review my trades from last week, and then I'll go from there. So quickly on last Sunday, I did take a nice win for 99 pips, and then it cleaned up with another 31 pips. Some very nice trades. Over here, a 29 pip trade and another 15-point trade win. And I could have held this one for a little bit longer, but I didn't. I don't know why. Oh, because price came back. I saw price forming bearish candle, so I just closed out. Over here at Asia Open, it's 5:40 p.m. I took a 35 pip loss, and then I took another 17 pip loss. I should have noticed that there was a bearish trend happening. And then I took a 60 tip pick loss. Over here, 42 pip loss. I should have widened out my stop loss a little bit more, and I shouldn't have traded this one. This one was at London Open. So I took an 18 pip loss, or I don't know if I took a win or a loss on this one, but it's hard to tell. Over here, I took a 10 pip loss, a 32 pip loss, and a 10 pip loss. So I don't know what I was thinking over here. I was like counter trend trading. I wasn't looking at market structure, but I was like, let's see, this is at late New York session. Yeah, late New York session. I don't know why I kept on trading. I took 3 losses back to back. I shouldn't have traded. Um, So I took a paper trade there that didn't happen, and then I definitely took a loss over here for 20 pip loss. So now I'm going to switch over to MGCQ 2025. So yeah, on this one I took a 14 pip loss, and then over here I scalped for 20 pips. And this is the trade I wish I held because I don't know why I didn't hold this because it definitely took liquidity from this trade over here. And then I just didn't hold it. I don't know why. I think it was because it's late at night or something. What time was this? This was late New York session, so 9:50 a.m. So I didn't hold this trade for as long as I should have. And then look what happened. Took a counter turn trade. I lost for 30 pips. Over here, I think I took a 36 pip win. But yeah, guys. Some of these trades I shouldn't have traded because I definitely over traded and went on a little bit of tilt. And then I should have held this trade. This was the banger trade. That I could have held until next market open, which is like around over here, because the market closes at 2 p.m. my time. So I could have held this trade for another 90 pips. But it is what it is. But all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my charts and go ahead and chart for you guys. Remove 19 drawings. Boom. And so what I like to do is I like to start in a daily time frame. As you can see, price is kind of consolidating this area, and this is like my bread and butter. When price is in consolidation, all you need to do is sell at the high, buy at the low. So I'm going to mark up my daily key levels, all-time high, Daily resistance. Daily resistance. Daily resistance. Daily support. Daily support. Daily support. So as you can see, price is kind of bearish right now. It's making lower lows and lower highs on the daily time frame. And you can see that because prices came up, formed their level of resistance, lower low, lower high, lower low because it broke the support. Now it made a lower high. So next week we can look for sells. Sells are definitely going to still be valid. Call this daily support and resistance. Now I'm on the 4 hour time frame, so I'm going to find my 4 hour zones. And I like to mark up my zones to the next Sunday so I don't have to rechart it. This one's going to be kind of a big zone, but that's okay. This one's going to be a big zone too, but that's also okay. It's going to mark up this one also. Just in case the price does come all the way down here. We know where it's going to travel to. Because also next week is NFP. So at the NFP, anything could happen. Price continue to fall or continue to fly. But I personally think that price can definitely fall because of the prediction, and I'll show you guys in a minute what I mean. Now I'm gonna look for my lower time frame zones. It's a nice area of support turned into resistance. I'm gonna put an alert right here for a possible sell option opportunity. I'm gonna put another alert right here for another buy opportunity. And or if price does come all the way down here, I know where price can go to. So market open, I'll probably look for a sell up top of here. It'll look something like this. Remember, we want to risk 10 to 20 pips above market structure. Or we'll look for a buy down here. Or down here, whichever comes first. Remember, at Levels of support, we're looking for a bearish pin bar. Sorry, bullish pin bar. So something like that. I'll drop down to the 5-minute time frame. So this is a perfect signal for a buy. See that bullish pin bar right here? It even did a double bottom also for a perfect buy opportunity. All right, I'm going to zoom out and so you guys can take a screenshot of my levels. Take a screenshot right there. Now let's look at Forex Factory. So this week we have a few red folders, which is good for price. Monday at 7 a.m. we have ISM Manufacturing PMI. 10 a.m. Jerome Powell is going to speak at 10 a.m. Tuesday at 7 a.m. we have Jolt job openings. Wednesday we have ADP. And then Thursday we have unemployment claims. Friday is the big one with NFP on Friday, 5:30 a.m. So the reason why I feel like we're gonna go bearish is because um, this number is really low, and so when the number is low here, then the actual number will probably be a lot higher, which means it'll be green. So when price is green, price will shoot down for gold. So let's take a look. So let's look at May 2nd and April 4th. Let's look at May 2nd. Oh, whoops. Let's look at May 2nd at 5:30 a.m. Boom, just like what I said. Price shot all the way down. Shot down 100 pips. Now let's look at April 4th. Yep, like I said, price just immediately shot down. Boom. And then just rallied after that. Price did a nice correction and then just rallied. Yeah, guys, that's it for today. And it's going to be kind of short, but as always, stay safe. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot my DMs. And good luck trading this week. All right, guys, peace.